Look at all them wires. What could this possibly be? I'm going to turn on with just the DVI cable and the power supply unit. This is what I got going here. This is what happens when I turn on. Oh, switch on. There we go. All right. Sorry, let me try again. Switch on. Power's on, but doesn't. Power's on, doesn't. Power's on, doesn't. Note that this very behavior has been persistent as I've been trying to assess this thing. I have no idea why this is the case, and if anybody can help me out with this, I'd much appreciate that. I am starting to worry about this. Click. I wonder if that's the graphics card. I hope not.